Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
You wake up, shower, wash your hair, and around lunchtime it already looks greasy. Anyone with greasy hair knows how annoying this is, especially because it can make you look sloppy. But oily hair isn't something bad. The oil protects your hair strands from breakage and pollution. When it becomes excessive, it can be bad for your scalp, causing dandruff and even hair loss. We're going to share 4 completely natural solutions that will help you control your greasy hair problem. Lemon juice, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, black tea. In order to prevent your hair from getting greasy, it is important to adopt a few new habits. Try and wash your hair daily with warm or cool water, since warm water can contribute to oil buildup. Try not to touch your hair. If you normally blow dry your hair, keep the blow dryer farther away from your scalp and lower the temperature.